Hello children, today in EVS subject we are going to learn a new chapter which is about paws and wings. This is third unit, page number 140. Okay, in the last class we have learnt types of plants. Plants grow from seeds and food from plants. I hope all have completed your workbook of first chapter and second chapter. Now we are going to study about EVS third chapter, paws and wings. Okay, tell me children, what do you mean by paws and wings? Yes. Paws means what? An animal's foot having claws and pads. Paws means. Next, wings means having claws. Wings means a modified forelimb. Modified forelimb that bears large feathers is used for flying are called wings. Okay. See here. Animals around us. There are many kinds of animals around us. No? Yes, we see different animals at different places. There are many kinds of animals. Animals are there in our around us. No? Some animals live near our homes. No? Yes. Okay, children, see here. First, I will read this story for you. Listen carefully. Try to understand. Okay? And put your fingers. See here. Ginger needs a new collar. So Arman and Arju decide to go to the pet shop near their home to buy it. Arman has just learned to identify animals in school and he has fun pointing out to each one he sees. Some names he knows, some he does not. On their veranda, they spot a lizard and then they cross the garden. They see a squirrel going up a tree, a mouse entering the garage and a frog sitting in a flower pot. A butterflies is sitting on the flower. They also see a snail on the garden wall and two earthworms on the driveway. Okay, it is morning time and they can hear some birds creeping, but they cannot see the birds. They are hidden amongst the thick leaves of the trees. As they come onto the road, they see a dog chasing a cat. The cat rushes up a tree. Do you think the cat will be safe now? Yes. Why? The cat will be safe now as dogs generally do not climb trees. Okay, children. Next, they go past a field where some cows are grazing and eaglet is sitting on a buffalo's back. It is white and the buffalo is black. See here, cows come in different colors, no? Cows come in different colors. Cows give us milk. Next, they pass a small pond. A duck is swimming with her 3 ducklings. They seem to be very happy. Soon they reach the pet shop. Arju selects a smart but soft collar for Ginger as the weather is very nice and it is a Saturday. Saturday means that they have no school. They decide to take a different route home. They cross a club where children are taught horse riding. They see 2 white and 1 brown horse. They wave to the hens in Mr. Shaina's poultry farm. Arman's come with his father every Sunday to buy eggs from her. As soon as they reach home, brings out his slate to write down the names of all the animals he has seen. Arju promises to help him with the spellings. Okay, children, in this story you have seen so many animals, no? You have seen so many animals, insects, here, insects, birds, earthworms, and so many. Okay, see here they have given wrong spelling. See here, wrong spelling. These are wrong spellings. Now we should make it correct. I will write here one by one. You have to copy and also learn the spellings. Okay, I'll help Arju correct Arma spelling. These are wrong spellings. Now we should make it correct. Okay, first one, what we seen in these stories? First, lizard, no? Right here, lizard. Next, squirrel. Next, earthworms. Next, snail. Next, buffalo. Next, eaglet. Butterfly. You also write in your textbook and you have to copy and also learn the spellings. Okay. Next, these animals are commonly found in cities and towns, no? Yes. Animals are found everywhere, in every part of the world and in every kind of place. In fact, animals live in places where even we human beings cannot live, on top of the highest mountains and down in the deepest oceans. Some animals live around us. They live in our homes or in farms. Okay, we keep cats, dogs and rabbits in our homes. Some of the animals are useful to us. For example, cow, buffalo and goats give us milk, no? Yes. Next, there are many kinds of birds around us. Birds fly in the air. Next, insects are small and also insects are there in our around us. Insects are small animals. Okay. Next, some animals such as fish live in water. Some animals live in jungles. They are called wild animals. Okay. Animals living on land are called land animals. Animals living land are called land animals. Cows, for example, cows, lions and giraffes are land animals. They are live on land, no? So they are land animals. Name 3 land animals Arman saw on his way to the pet shop. See here. This is Arman saw on his way. This is Arman's way. Name 3 land animals. See here, search here. Name 3 land animals. First one, buffalo. Buffalo is land animal. Next, cow. Cow also land animal. Next, horse. Horse also one of the land animal. Next, animals living in water are called water animals. Animals living in water are called water animals. Some animals such as fish live in water, no? Fish, dolphins and octopus are water animals. They live in water. See here, one question is there. You must have often seen buffaloes lazing in water. Are they water animals? No, they are not water animals. Okay. Next, some animals live both on land as well as in water. Some animals live in water and on land around water. They are crocodiles, frogs, turtles and alligators live on both the land and water, no? Yes, these are land. These are both on land as well as in water. Okay, next. Even on land, animals live in different places. See here. In this picture, so many animals are there. Some animals live on trees. See here. Birds are there. Squirrels are there. Monkeys are there. Okay. How many animals can you spot on the trees? Tell me. In this picture, how many animals are there? Count the animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 animals can you spot on the trees. Okay. And color them. This is for your homework. Color the animals. Birds are also animals. They mostly live on trees. Okay. Yes or no? Yes, birds are also animals. Some birds live in or near water. Like that. Birds are also animals. They mostly live on trees. Like that, monkeys and squirrels also live on tree. These are also animals. Some birds live in or near water. For example, ducks. Ducks live in water, no? Yes. Next, some animals live in gardens. Do you see in gardens, children? Yes, some animals live in gardens. Grasshoppers and ants are garden animals. How many garden animals did Arman and Arju see? See here. See here in this story, how many garden animals did Arman and Arju see? No, in this picture. In this picture, how many garden animals did Arman and Arju see? Yes, 2. Name them. Sorry children, in this story, how many garden animals did Dharman and Arju see? Right here. 8. 8 garden animals did Dharman and Arju see. Name them. Yes. See here. Squirrel. Rat. Frog. Snail. And 2 earthworms. Butterfly. And lizard. SQUIRREL squirrel, RAT rat, FROG frog, SNIAL snail, 2 earthworms. Earthworms spelling EARTHWORMS. Butterfly BUTTERFLY. Lizard LIZARD. See here. Lizard, squirrel, rat, frog, butterfly, snail and earthworms. These all are garden animals. Okay. Next, some animals live in forests. These animals are called wild animals. Some animals live in jungles. They are called wild animals. Elephant, lion, tiger, cheetah, deer, giraffe and bear and are wild animals. We also see some of these animals in a zoo. Okay. See here. Leopard is there. Tiger, elephant and fox are wild. These are wild animals. These animals that live in forest. Tiger have, see here, tiger have black strips on their body. Elephant have longest nose in the animal kingdom. See here. Elephant have longest nose. These all are wild animals. Okay. Next, see here. This animal lives in sandy place. Sandy places means what, children? Sandy place means desert. It can stay for many days without drinking water. Camel can stay for many days without drinking water. You stay for many days without drinking water, children? No, we cannot stay for many days without drinking water. Name the animals here. Which animal is this? Yes, this is camel. What are such places called? Desert. Desert. Camel spelling CAMEL, camel. Desert spelling DESERTS, desert. Next, some animals like the insects. These are insects. Cockroach and housefly are found in our houses. Okay. Insects are small animals. See here. Some insects have wings and can fly. Some insects do not fly. They have 6 legs. See here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 6 legs. Cockroaches Flies, ants, bees, butterflies and mosquitoes are some common insects. Okay, see here, name 2 animals other than these that are found in our houses. Okay, right here, cockroach, and housefly. We commonly see in our house, no? Next, some of the keep animals in our homes as companions. These are called pet animals. For example, cat, dogs, rabbits. Okay, we play with pets. We play with pets. We keep cats, dogs and rabbits in our homes. We care for them. They are called pet animals. Arman and Arju have named their pet. Arman and Arju have named their pet Ginger. Okay, pet animals are different from animals that are found in our homes. We must take care of animals. We must not hurt or trouble them. Okay children, finally in this chapter we learnt there are many kinds of animals. Some animals live near our homes. Some animals are tamed by us. They are called domestic animals. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Most birds can fly. Birds have 1 beak and 1 tail. Some animals such as fish live in water. Animals such as frog live both on land and in water. Insects are small animals with 6 legs. Some animals live in forests. They are called wild animals. So, animals are found everywhere, no? Some animals live on land, some in water, some live both on land and water. Okay. Even on land, animals live in different places. Some animals live on trees. Some live in gardens. Some animals live in sandy deserts. See here. Camel live in sandy desert, no? Some animals live in our houses. For example, cat and dog. Wild animals live in forest. Okay, children. I think all are understood the chapter. We will continue next class. Take care. Bye.